Hey guys, it's Adam from Kentucky Kingdom. Today, we're going to show you a glimpse of our team hard at work getting ready for the 2018 season.
Our horticulture staff has been hard at work, mulching, planting new plants, and so much more. Our retail shops are being prepped with merchandise for our guests to buy. You can also see our tech services staff getting the trains back on the rides and making sure they are safe for all of our guests. Last but not least, here are some sneak peeks of the new rides going in this year.
Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you all in the next one.